Hello again, we're on the Mylius 80 Carbon Arrow and we're going to do a quick walk round video with me showing you what's here. Come with me. Come on, Harry. We'll start off, we'll go up to the bow and then we'll work backwards from there. As you can see, it's a lovely, lovely sunny day here in Marseille. We have Marseille over there. We are in Port Corbière, which is a wintering point for many boats. You can see there's literally hundreds and hundreds of boats out of the water over there. Right, so we shall start on the bow. The fixed bowsprit with the integral anchor. We have code 0 points and Jenica points on the end. We have the hydraulically furling headstay, which is also adjustable. The tension of the jib is adjustable, which is quite unusual for hydraulic furling. I'm going to fiddle with these catches. I'll try and open this. Here we go. So we have anchor windlass, pop-up winch. This is the luff tension for the jib. And quite uniquely, we have a detachable inner forestay, which is also hydraulically furling. Next, down the boat, we have a heavy hatch, lots and lots and lots of sail storage. We have some hydraulic controls for the jib, and underneath there we have breakers for the anchor. And under the flap at the bottom is the retractable bow thruster. Not bowsprit, is it then? No. We'll come back down the port side of the yacht. We have the hall spars, high modulus rig. We have the Harken switch track to lower the stack height on the mainsail. We have the external trysail track, clutches, etc. Everything's led back under deck to the cockpit winches. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winches. 7 are electric. This one is hydraulic. This is for the spinnaker halyards in case you wanted to race. Much more efficient. So we'll come back down this side. Carbon boom with hay racks to instead of lazy jacks. There is a bimini that goes onto the track, you can just see there, to cover the entire cockpit, which clips onto the rails. So back, one thing we have to see here is this amazing helm position. You have complete control of the boat, this side and that side. That side is more manoeuvring because you've got the autopilot, bow thruster controls and engine controls on this side. We've got a repeater for the nav charts. Chart plotter there, windlass up and down, and now this is nice. We can control the other side of the boat, the port primary winch. We can furl the jibs, we can tension the luffs of the jibs. So that's inner forestay, outer forestay. And so if you decide to race, your main sheet trimmer can sit down here and play with all those different buttons to control the mainsail. Or when you're cruising, you can do it yourself as well. So that's the controlling side. This side here is a replica of that side. The only difference is we have the Garmin switches here, which change the displays on the back of the mast. Huge cockpit, much fun here. You can put as many people on the sides you want for racing, cruising. We have the drop down door. We must see this, Harry, you must see this. Oops. Hopefully it'll work. So this is the dinghy garage. Very quick to deploy. We've got a 3.4 metre high-field aluminium rib in there, which comes out on rails with a 25 horsepower Honda engine on the back. Lovely seating area. As I said before, we've got the bimini that goes over the top should you want it. We've got seating for around 8 people, I'd say, and these lovely unique cushions here on the forward side, which are great for sunbathing and lounging around. So that's a quick tour of the deck. Let's go and have a look inside this very chic Italian yacht. So we're going to start in the main saloon. We have L shape either side. The tables are fixed. This side is dining, that side is lounging. On the starboard side we have a television that pops up and down, and also obviously the nav station there. We'll go forward in the yacht. It's very symmetrical. The carbon mast in the middle. We have a twin cabin either side, both absolutely symmetrical. Go and pop your head in there and have a look. Both are en suite. They do not make doubles, they are both twin cabins. Plenty of storage and the lovely, lovely hull windows and air conditioning throughout the yacht. And then forwards into the very, very lovely owner's suite. We have 2 beds, which are small doubles, both sides. We have hull windows either side. We have air conditioning either side, which are slightly independent. I know it's one room, but we do have 2 different controllers for either side. And now forward, after you, sir. We have a very large owner's heads unit with a carbon toilet. Again, lots of storage and very comfortable. So we'll keep walking back. We'll go and have a look in the galley first. Must point out the wine cooler on the way. So wine cooler, there's 2 separate units in there, one for white, one for red. So here we are in the restaurant standard stainless steel topped galley. It's very safe at sea, it's in the nice sweet spot of the boat, doesn't move around too much. We've got fancy tap here, which is boiling water or cold water for drinking, and that one's for utility stuff. In the corner here we have stick your head in here, we have a technical room which has engine and generator batteries and breakers for winches, etc. And then over here we have another technical room with chargers. Very simple. Under here is all storage, up there is all storage. We have the Siemens induction hob and cooker, well, not induction cooker, electric cooker. In this cupboard we have a microwave oven, and everyone yacht should have one. We have an espresso machine. Fridge and freezer. All these details are in the spec. And now, don't run away. We can quickly pop our head into the engine room, he says. So in the engine, we have the main engine in here. We have the generator in the stainless box. And further aft we have the main engine, the Yanmar 230. And then above that we have air conditioning, water maker, and lots of room, which is very nice. That's on the catch, I'll leave that there. Now we'll head down the starboard side of the yacht and come and see the crew accommodation, which is quite honestly the best I think I've ever seen. Why don't you go first, Harry? So at the aft end of the yacht we have the skipper's cabin. He has control of the sea zone above the bed there, and also a B&G FFD in the corner, so you can keep an eye on whatever's going on. Lots of storage on the side for laundry in the crew corridor, and then we have the crew bunk here. Another 2 crew in there, and then the crew heads here. All of these cabins are also air conditioned as well. So the crew can be completely separated with this door. So I think that concludes our rather whistle-stop tour of the yacht. If you have any questions, please do let me know, and you can see other videos of our walkthroughs on the website. Hello, we're here in Marseille, and this is episode 10 of Ben waiting for Harry to get ready with his camera. We're almost there. He's running away now. Hello, it's Ben Cooper again. We're on the Mylius AT here. I'm doing a walk around video with me and Shot just to make my teenage daughters cringe.